Yeah, hold on. I'm finna tell them I'm just gonna get in. Ain't no glue. So we just gonna do one good burnout, a rolling burnout. Oh, this is my boy Stone Bed. Let me get him. Come on, man. You gotta get him. How you gonna be the Stone Vet? He should have been the Stone Subaru. Right side. I'm gonna ask him why you pick Stone Vet, fool. You want a vet or you had one? He ain't gonna miss no gear. Oh. Oh, a Stone veteran maybe. He was in the military. What he was doing in there? Oh, he served in Iraq. Why I ain't think he was no exerciser. He must have been on the computer. Do the people on the computer gotta work out too? Yeah, man, I ain't find no glue. I'm going with him. Yeah, I ain't find no glue, so I'm just gonna ride with you. All right. See what this 383 like. Where y'all at on this race though? Look at her all in the back seat. They look serious. Hey, look. Come on with it. Hey, look. Oh, God damn. Why they let him drive, y'all? He don't know when to go. Oh, shit, he got a button. He got a button? That's why he can't focus good. Let's see if we can see him hit it. On everything on some street tires, man. Oh shit, on my boy, man. Yeah, back up a little bit. Let me get out there. Yeah, get you some water. Now spin them over a little bit more. Alright, come on with it. Alright, right there. Remember, 5,000 and then jump off the brake and keep rolling up. Come on with it. What happened?
He's mopping the track.
Oh, he mopping. Wait a minute. They mopping, y'all. Where he at? Oh, other side. Oh, okay, other side. He doing the other side. I said he doing the other side. Wheels straight? Yeah, right there. Hey, if it starts trying to come over, man, we're gonna have to push it back that way, man. Y'all watch it now. Nah, they still bullshit. Nah, they still, the reason you should wait is because if you do your burnout and then they still be waiting on him, then your tire's gonna get cold and he gonna just be getting his hot. Let me see what they got. Damn, what they hit? Wait a minute. Hey, the hell we got going on over here?
A bunch of liquor drink.
Peer pressure and lunatic.
I ain't ready.
Oh no, a nigga AC was on.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I was talking about that peer pressure, whatever. What is that?
Remy? It's an Irish Remy.
Irish Remy?
Yeah.
French brandy. What?
Guess how much it cost?
Let me see the name of that.
$13, nigga.
Gonna take you a sweet.
$13, nigga.
You
From
cold?
where?
Nigga, I ain't been cold since this nigga passed me.
Oh, my boy getting impatient.
Outside.
Alright. Oh. They ready now. Oh, you probably want to back up, get some water again, man. Yours done dried up.
Y'all get out the way.
Yeah. Hey, y'all get out the way, man. This thing get wicked. Look, yeah, a little bit more. Right there. Alright, come on up. Right there. Okay. He ain't gonna listen. He done did a half track burnout. I'ma tell him you got a 60-foot limit. Uh-oh. I sure don't want to get in the way now while he backing up. Come on back some more. You got a lot to go. Alright, right there. I don't know no glue at. Oh, they said back. There's some glue somewhere.
That's what he had earlier.
Oh, I used all the rest he had. God damn, this dough done broke, y'all. I can't get. Oh, there it go. Wait a minute now, man. I ain't got reverse cam in this bitch. Oh, now you want to jam. Oh, you from Memphis?